The original work-sharp knife sharpener sharpens every knife you own. Sharpening guide holds the knife at the proper angle when sharpening. Flexible abrasive belt quickly sharpens the knife edge and conforms to any blade shape. Sharpening a pocket knife. Place the knife in the outdoor sharpening guide so that the blade is in the bottom of the guide slot and lightly resting against the outer edge of the guide. Pull the knife straight and steadily through the sharpening guide, keeping the blade against the guide to maintain sharpening angle. You may have to lower the handle to accommodate a thumb stud. Stop the tip of the knife on the belt and release the power switch. Continue until a slight burr develops on the opposite side, usually 5 strokes. Repeat the same number of strokes on the other side of the blade so you sharpen evenly. Here's a tip. If your knife has a combination edge with serrations, sharpen only the smooth edge this way. See our How to Sharpen a Serrated Knife video for more information. Push down and rotate the top tensioner. Remove the red belt. Place the new belt around the pulleys. Rotate the tensioner to spring back into place. Make 10 alternating strokes. Now, your pocket knife is sharp as new and ready for any cutting task.